So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and in today's video I am gonna review the Beauty Glazed Color Board Dupe palette for you that I bought from Meesho. The palette is also available on Amazon and Flipkart. This is the palette that I'm talking about. I have seen this palette in so many other videos and nobody actually tells you that this is a fake palette, guys. Please don't fall for the trap. This palette is for 350 rupees. I'm gonna talk about everything, the pigmentation, number of shades and how beautiful this palette is. But let me remind you again, it is not the real one. The real one is for 1200 or something like that. If you want to get the real palette, it's present in purple and Nykaa. Before we get started with the review, let's just talk a little bit about what a fake palette exactly is. So whatever is manufactured by any big brand, there is always somebody who dupes it and makes another duplicate palette which exactly looks the same. So with this palette it's the same thing. This can not be stated as the fake palette because guys, this palette and the real palette look so similar. But to help you all, I have done my research to find out which one is the real one and which one is the fake. So in the fake palette you get this kind of a packaging and very similar to the real one, but this particular area is very smooth and you know, it glides on very smoothly, whereas in the real palette the packaging is very matte, and that is the only difference. So dupe palettes are made in such a way that you will not be able to tell that it's a fake one. So make sure that if you are buying a real palette, you do your check and always buy the palettes from a good app. Like you can choose Nykaa, you can choose Purple, but never go for Amazon or Meesho when you're buying real makeup. If you know that you want to get this palette which is for 350, then it's fine, but never think that a 1600 rupees ka palette will be sold on Meesho for 300. There are still people who think that these are real, so let me tell you, it is not. The first thing that I want to say is I have a sensitive skin. That means that whatever I touch on my skin, it can give, you know, these kind of spots, it can give me acne, and it also starts burning sometimes. My skin gets irritated, and that is the reason why I'm the best person to ask about fake products and real ones. So there are a lot of products, even Plum and Lakme sometimes give me irritation and rashes. So let me start by saying that this palette gave me none. There is another fake palette, that is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which is the fake Amazon palette, and that is also perfect. Using this since 6 months now and it's an amazing palette. It gave me nothing, no rashes, whereas other fake palettes, I just cannot take it on my skin. That's how sensitive my skin is. So yeah, the look that you see right here, I'm gonna show you how I did that in a minute using this eyeshadow palette. But before that, let's jump into how it actually looks like. So as I said, the real palette and the fake palette has no difference in terms of packaging or the number of shades, how the shades look like. So this palette looks like this and it has no magnet here, so this is not at all travel friendly. If you're traveling with this, make sure you're tying a rubber band around it, otherwise it will open and the colors will be scattered. So when I open this palette, this is the first thing that comes. There are 4 different color boards over here. So there's green, there's orange, blue, and the last one is, I guess, a little purplish and lavender kind of thing. So this is my favorite. Let me just swatch a few shades for you. This is a shade from the blue family. This is another shade. Here comes the orange family. I love the orange shades. So this palette has no consistency at all. एक shade बहुत ज़्यादा ही pigmented है, एक एकदम pigmented नहीं है. Example, this orange, it's so bright and so pretty pigmented. This green again, it's so pigmented. But let's talk about the yellow and try and find the yellow. So I think that for 350 it is absolutely amazing. but if you invest in the real palette, you will definitely get much more pigmentation, at least, because pigmentation to missing hai for like half of the shades. When I say half of the shades, I want to be really clear. The yellows do not have any proper pigmentation. Shades like this, which are beige and basically shimmer shades, they are not very pigmented. There's no pigment at all in them. This is the only shade which is pigmented, because reds are definitely always pigmented. But I swatched 4 shades here and I don't think that you can even see the shades, and that's how bad it is. But now, talking about the most important thing, which is the glitters. I'm gonna swatch all of the glitters together, and I'm swatching here. So this is how the glitters are. The green is missing and it is very chunky, guys. This is not a proper glitter. This is more like हम जो खेलते थे ना बचपन में. It is of that quality. And एक बार when I went out on Saraswati Puja and I was wearing this golden or silver glitter, I remember that it just went into my eye and my eyes became red, and it was a bad feeling. So let me say this, that these are literally kids glitters, so do not play with them. And if you're buying this palette, make sure that you're not using the glitters, for God's sake, because they are not glitters. I'm sure that if this gets into your eyes, it will definitely be harmful. So do not play with your eyes, and just make sure that if you're buying this palette, you're not using the glitters. These shades are very chalky as well, so if you use it, you have to apply a base, a concealer surely, and otherwise pigment utna zyada nahi dikhega. And also it will be nice if you apply a concealer, because it's very chalky and बहुत ज़्यादा fallouts है इस palette में. But for 350 rupees, I'm actually not even expecting much. So I really like this palette and I would give it a thumbs up because of the color combination that it has. In 350 rupees, you get 60 shades, and I think that is quite enough for anyone, for any beginner for that matter. This palette is quite multi-purpose though. You can use it as a blush क्योंकि इसमें blush shades है, contour shades are there, you have your browns. The only thing that you don't have is the black. Black is available in every other eyeshadow palette. So if you want to get those colorful eye looks done, this is gonna be an amazing palette and totally recommended, because being a sensitive skin person, अगर मेरे skin पे ये react नहीं किया तो I don't think किसी और के skin पे भी करना चाहिए. But saying that, you know what your skin type is, and if you have faced any kind of problem with these kind of products before, then just don't, because I know people जिनके skin पे expensive products even react, like me. It might react on your skin, and therefore you know what's good for you. If you want to buy it, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And yeah, saying that, let's finally move to the eye look.
I'm starting with the concealer because, as I said, the pigmentation is not that great, so concealer helps us get the pigmentation, and also the colors are very chalky, so make sure you're using a base. Then applying the yellow in the inner corner and in the middle portion of my lid. Then taking this dark orange and just applying it on the outer corner and wherever I had my concealer on already. Then taking the deepest orange from this palette. As I said, I love the oranges. They are very pigmented. So I'm applying this shade only on the crease, and finally the inner corner highlight, and that is all about today's look.
That was it about today's review and today's video, you guys. I will give this palette a good 7 on 10. It definitely deserves that much. And if you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. I got it from Meesho, as I said before. And yeah, that is it about today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.